Hey, Jay.
Hey,
Do you know what today is?
it's just Wednesday, right?
It's our 4-year anniversary.
Holy smokes, already?
Already. It's amazing what we've been able to do for people that drive vehicles in our community over the last 4 years, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, between servicing our customers and taking great care of our staff, you know, all the way to our car giveaways and reaching out to the community and doing what we can to help. It's just above the rest.
It's amazing to be legendary.
Yeah, it's totally amazing to be a part of this. And, you know, if there's technicians out there that are looking as well, you know, go to legendaryfl.com and check out our, you know, application page. And also visit our website for the next several months. We'll have some anniversary specials up. So you definitely want to come down and take advantage of those specials while they're still happening.
Come and celebrate with us.